right, Pops. But what's the triangle supposed to be?
Kinda looks like a potato chip.
That's it! Great Granny used to say, if you're ever stuck in a rut, don't lose hope, just trust your gut. What's my old tum-tum saying, son?
Your gut wants to go this way.
Take that, Team Mommy! Onward to the triangle, chums!
Wonder how Mrs. Shark's team is doing.